newscaster Sujata here for News Plus Views. Today we are at the NESCO where VAM Expo is happening, and we have with us Mr. Mudassir Khan, CTO of Elite Hubs, and we can see this is the eye candy system here, and he will be telling us, sir will be telling us about how exactly it can be used, who are the clients of this system. This is eye candy, but how useful it is, Sir Mudassir Khan.
So this is a flagship system that we have. This is called the SharkX, Bulla Monster SharkX that we sell. Obviously, so if you are a VFX artist or you are a game developer or anyone who is more into the creative side of a piece, so it is very easy for you to just get a black system and a black box, which is a bit boring on the side, but this showcases your creativity. So you should get a system that also complements your creativity. This can be the center stage of your studio or even your home. So we can get this connected to your studio. You can put this in the center of your studio or your home. This can be connected to an actual system. This can be connected to a TV or a PC, and you can actually use the PC. This is a completely functional PC. So this is the difference between a normal PC and a SharkX PC.
So you are saying that this is not exactly for the VFX gamers. It can be used at the normal homes who are dreaming of the eye candy. Like you said, it can be used as a chandelier. Instead of chandelier, this can be eye candy piece. So can you tell us about your clients, except for the gamers, who are the exclusive clients of yours who are preferring this chart?
Studios, we are supplying PCs to a lot of studios, and many of the studios want to showcase their creativity when their clients walk in. So what they do, they have this in their main studio space to showcase their creativity, and this is obviously connected to an actual system, so they can actually use the system with the hardware. So this is the difference.
So can you show us how it is connected?
Yeah. So this is a single cable that is going to power the system. The keyboard, mice and everything can be wireless. The HDMI and the power just has a single cable for that. So this can be connected, as I said, to your TV or a PC.
How much power does it consume?
It consumes the same as a normal system, so about 1000 or 1200 watts of power. So we can fit an i9 and a RTX 5080 or even a 5090.
Sir, can you show us other systems?
So this is our workhorse. So this is a heavy rendering system that we have. This is optimized for Blender. The system next to it is optimized for DaVinci editing PC.
I'm feeling like we are on the sets of Star Trek. We used to watch it on the TVs earlier, and this is EliteHubs.com, and it is Elite. Sir, can you tell us about the price range, please? Elite Hubs, sir.
See, the difference between us and normal vendors is that we do custom solutions. We don't just sell you, okay, this is the PC you should buy, just go that. That's not what we do. We ask you questions, okay, what hardware are you going to, what software are you going to use? Actually, you're going to use Blender, you're also going to use Nuke, you're also going to use DaVinci, whatever. So we optimize our systems based on your requirements. And if you give us a budget, for example, if we have a budget of 1 lakh rupees, if you have a budget of 10 lakh rupees, even if you have a budget of 60,000 rupees, we optimize the system based on your use case for your budget and give you that solution. So we provide the consultation, and on top of all this, our pricing includes 3 years of at-home tech support.
No, that's great.
If you have any issue with your PC, our technician will come to your home, fix the PC, and if there's any part issue, he will take it to the warranty service center, get it back, and get your PC repaired at your home at no extra cost for 3 years.
That's great.
Exactly. This is for Mumbai, Pune, and Bangalore clients at the moment.
So these are the eye candy SharkX at the expo by the EliteHubs.com, and we have with us Mudassir Khan, sir. And sir, thank you very much. We just loved, and everybody is attracted towards this SharkX system over here at EliteHubs.com, and the VA Expo happening at NESCO in Goregaon.